channel. My name is Serafina the Unicorn Baker. This is my unicorn pose. Today we're going to be making strawberry brownies. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so then you can be part of my unicorn baking community. The ingredients you'll need is 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, the awesome strawberry brownie mix, vanilla extract, strawberry jam, 2 eggs, powdered sugar, milk, the pan, and the measuring cups. Let's get started. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm gonna spray the pan. Now it's time to mix it all up. But first, we need the powder for the strawberry brownie cake mix, and then we're gonna do oil, eggs, and then vanilla extract. So, open it up. This is another way that you can open it up, if you're me. It's pink. Okay, I need my handy dandy scissors. No, it's just fine. Okay, now we are gonna do oil, 2 eggs, now our vanilla extract. Vanilla extract goes really fast. Mixy. Now it's time to press it into the pan. Woohoo! Tap for air bubbles. Now I'm gonna put this into the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, let's do that. Now it's time to make the glaze. Okay, so we need powdered sugar, strawberry jam, and milk. Okay, so twist out. Okay, we're gonna need these. Okay, now. Now we're going to use this. Now it's time to do the strawberry jam. There. There. 1.5. Ew!
Why you?
Because it landed on the jelly.
That's not you.
Time to take out the cake. Wow, it smells so good. Now it's time to let it cool. Now that the cake has cooled, it's time to frost. Now we're gonna cut it. Now it's time to taste test, but who should I call on? Lucy!
Yeah,
You wanna try my delicious strawberry brownie cake?
sure.
Okay, you pick whatever one you
Aren't you gonna try one?
Yeah, after you.
Want me to go first?
Yeah. How does it taste?
Yeah. Or no?
Lucy, how much percent is it?
100. How much percent is it, Serafina?
102.
Why do you think it's 100?
Because it's crunchy,
Crunchy?
it's sweet, and it's not too dry.
Really? I think it's 100 because of those same reasons, except the crunchy part. I don't know why she said it's crunchy. It'd be kind of gross, Serafina.
Oh, guys, remember, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community.
Bye. Bye. Hi.
Wait, what does this say again? 1/2 cup.
3, 2, 1.
Now it's time to make the
Whoop.
glaze.
Cut.
What?
Cut. Cut. That's way too much. Cut. Cut.
Now it's not.
Cut.